Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at this tool called curl. So this tool will allow us to recognize the HTTP web request, which is used to just communicate with the backend. With that, let me just open my terminal. We have it, and let me zoom a little bit, and there you go. So if you want, we can do Emacs, right? So okay, let's create a new one. So first command what we need to do is to just do curl. Then it is try crawl dash h. So we can do this for the help menu. So we can go at the top right like this. As you can see, here we have the uses. Let's get the basic request. So here we can do curl https. So this is just demo website. So freeject.com, right? So it just shows nothing. So cause if we just do just if we remove this, right? So that should shows the get request. Next is to how to download the file using curl. So what we can do is curl, right? And we have small s as the and capital O. So we can do in frigsc.com dot index dot html. So what it does is it just downloads the index.html from the inflame fried. So that's gonna be the website name. So we can do cat index. So do we have the uh, what we call the index file? So if we just do that, so maybe my spelling is incorrect. So if we just do capital A dash then S then capital O for the output, right? Let's do, and let's put the index dot html. Now that should create the index dot html. As you can see, here you can see index dot html, and you can just do cat index dot html. As you can see, you see the same get response. That's fine with it. And let me just show you another one. So here we can skip the HTTPS certification validation. So how we can do using this flag dash k, and you can do HTTPS. Then we have in lane fried.com. So we can do enter. So that just skip the SS TPS certification validation. So next one is to print the full HTTP request and response. So you can do curl, right? Then inline frigsc.com/v. So here we can redirect to test that text for the, then we can do. So okay, it didn't redirect. Okay, as you can see, this is the uh request. As we go up, you can see the IPv6 request header right here. So it has been moved permanently internal error. That's fine. Okay. Now let's look at the another flag. Let's be let's quit it. Let's clear our screen, and we have another screen would be another flag would be, so we can only send the head request only. For that you can do uh curl and dash uh I, and you can do uh so https right www dot inline fr fr yeah I eigs dot com. Okay, I need to give one more w for it. So that is for only the head request, so it prints only response header. So as you can see at the TP1 okay date server. So that's, let's look at the uh another one. So next one is this curl dash I small I, right? Then https www dot inlanefregsc.com. So what does this flag do is just bring the header uh, response, right? Header response and response of the body, and that's what. Uh, so here you can see in we can put this on the what we call that text demo dot txt. Okay, now we can check the just response of the head and body. So what did I use? Demo. So as you can see here is the code. So we have it. So that's it. Now let's look at the next one. So what we can do is to just set a header. So what we can do is come over here. Just let's use the flag called dash a. So we can do uh Mozilla 5.0. So that's gonna be our user agent. So if we uh, want to send a uh, request, all right, so we can change that user agent so it gives a different output. Now so we have the uh, we can just do it like basic authorization, right? So we can do uh so we have the curl curl and that's you for the user, and we can do admin and admin. So we can do admin. So then let's use our http. So http, so that's gonna be my IP address. So 1.70.70 semicolon then 8080, and here we have given the basic authorization. So that's gonna be, as you can see, it shows uh, the request, and we can just do come over here. So if we go up, right, so it just found uh use the basic authorization. So next one would be the, we can just pass the, just we can just get in into server like this. So server I mean, we can just bypass the admin. So if it has the loose credential, so we can do http, then we have the admin, right? So we had earlier said the password is admin, and uh, next admin, uh, admin both the username and the password. Next is to just give the server IP. So I'm just gonna 192.168.1.770, and we have the 8080 as the port, and let's do enter. So here we have got the uh requested. Now you can just uh send the request header, so you can modify it using curl then capital H, right, for the setting the request header. Then you can do uh authorization, right? So this is just what we call that so uh, basic authorization, and that's gonna be the uh base encoded, right? So it should look like this. Then here it's gonna be your server ID, ID, uh, so server ID and port number. So 12.1. So this is just for the demo. It won't work because uh on right now, because the information is not correct. So parameter is correct, but what we pass inside that is incorrect. That's why it's not requesting right now. So next is to just uh get, so next uh, we can set the cookies also. So basically, so if we just do curl, that's b, right? So and we can do php, so session uh id, right? Then it's gonna be cl2. So this is just another, so let me just put it at least realistic one word. So the cookies is incorrect, and you can type the server IP, right, and the password, uh, uh, and port, not the password. So let's do 300. So that's B is used to just set the cookies. So this is just the uh crash course on the uh, curl. So I hope it's useful. Thank you guys.